Photontek has innovated again with the creation of the ideal LED fixtures for clones, seedlings, and for any low PPFD target plants. Please welcome the Photontek vertical farming LED range, the VF90 and the VF 120W LED fixtures. Both Photontek VF fixtures are comprised by 30W LED bars with 4000K white and 3000K warm white diodes. In the case of the VF90W, it has a total PPF output of 244 micromoles per second and a 2.4 micromole per joule efficiency with its 3 LED bars. As for the VF 120W fixture, its 4 LED bars reach a total PPF output of 380 micromoles per second and a 2.4 micromole per joule efficiency. These versatile high-efficiency fixtures will ensure you reach your goals when used in vertical farming applications, from propagation factories and nurseries, climate chambers, warehouse farms, containers, and many others. The Photontek VF range will deliver the adequate light quality spectrum and photon flux levels you need. The VF range already includes the new clear glue protection cover technology on the LED bars, resulting in higher light transmittance of 99% without light loss, as well as an extended lifetime of diodes, extra corrosion resistance, and high waterproof of IP65. The fixture will require a VF 650W driver that can run up to 7 units of the VF 90W fixtures per unit and 5 units of VF 120W fixtures per unit. These can be dimmed with a 0 to 10 volts light dimmer, or it can be used externally controlled with our Photontek digital controller, as well as any other 0 to 10 universal controller. Photontek has been always on the forefront of innovation, always aiming for perfection and excellence. And these amazing new fixtures testify to that commitment with the grower community. Never stop innovating, never stop growing. Photontek, built by growers for growers.